Hi, I'm Jason Case, CEO of Case FMS. Our journey has always been about delivering quality in facility management. And today, I am thrilled to announce Paul St. Pierre, the founder and CEO of Landscape Effects Group. Paul shares our commitment to unparalleled service, innovation, and we have some exciting news to share with you. Let's dive into the future we're building together. Paul, over to you.
Thank you, Jason. We are thrilled to announce a new partnership merging two industry leaders, bringing the United States and Canada together.
Our merger is a strategic alliance founded on shared principles and dedicated to excellence.
Together, we bring complementary strengths that will elevate facility management services across North America. Our collective knowledge between our teams and service partners means enhanced reach and growth with over 21,000 sites serviced across North America.
Our world-class technology and processes enhance the client experience, providing visibility connecting our field crews to your facility managers. These combined efforts provide our clients and stakeholders a true and accurate depiction to comply with all exterior maintenance requirements.
Our commitment to you, our valued clients and team members, remains at the heart of everything we do.
It's more than just facility management. It's about a relationship built on reliability and trust.
This is just the beginning of something amazing.
And we cannot wait to take this journey with you.